about this event that I had going on. Yeah. Well, here it is. About to walk up in here real quick and see what's going on. It's over here? Oh. Nah, I ain't feel like being. Do we have to go on this side or this side? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Hey, we had a ball. We had a ball. Sitting here, man. We chilling. We had to come run by the shop real quick, but baby, she got some kneecap out. Yeah, she know how to show up to a party now. Got some kneecap out, little thigh meat. You got a little thigh meat out. Look at her. Showing some cleverage. Cleverage? That's what it's called?
Cleavage?
No, that's what everybody's called.
Ginger.
Clever. We got some cleverage. Over there. You got a makeup all did up and everything like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But we finna head to the house. You see, I got these things on. You know what I'm saying? These things on right here. Y'all see that? Swave. You know, back in the day, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what y'all went through, but I don't know how y'all folks was, but my folks used to call it swave. It wasn't no suede, it was swave with a V. So I got some swave on, you know what I'm saying? The dog got some swave on, man, you know what I'm saying? I had to show him some one time, man. We was not doing our thing, but yeah, I wanted to capture that moment with y'all, man, cause yeah, I ain't never been to no wedding of that caliber, I guess. Right. I never been to no wedding that caliber, so I want to share that with, you know what I'm saying, share that with y'all, man, so y'all can see what was going on, man, and everything. Yeah, my little GoPro cut out, man, my battery low, so. But yeah, man, I wanted to share that with y'all, man, you know, doing that now. But yeah, man, we headed to the house, man. Headed to the house, and you had a good time, man. I'm tired too. I ain't gonna lie.
Exercise. That was an exercise.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I'm tired. I don't think I'm tired. I think I'm more drunk than tired. Cause the dude, he started to recognize me. He was like, tequila and lime juice. I was like, yeah. He was like, I got you. And so it got from the point to tequila and lime juice to every time I went to the bar, he was like, I got you. Like, he ain't even called out the drink no more. He was like, I got you. So it was like, damn. And every time he put just a little bit less of lime juice in there and a lot more tequila in there every time. He kept on putting the limes in there, like he squeezed the limes in there, but he put just a little less lime juice and a lot more tequila. So shout out to him. I don't know his name. I should have got his name, but and he cool because, you know what I'm saying, he came and found me on the dance floor. He was like, ooh, boy, I heard that Pat. I had to step out behind that bar. I heard that Project Pat. I had to step out from behind that bar, man. You know what I'm saying? I heard it. So he was a cool dude. So yeah. But yeah, I'm definitely I'm intoxicated. For sure. But we finna
do I need to drive?
You want to drive? Nah, I think I'm good. I think, but
I don't want to drive.
You don't want to drive, so I guess you gotta deal with drunk driving then.
Okay, you need to slow down then.
I'm gonna slow down. I ain't in no hurry now. We ain't got nowhere to be. Get to the house. But anyway, alright, I'm gonna catch y'all when they get to the house. You know what I'm saying? I'm out of battery. I got another battery or something. Cause it's battery low. But I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the house, man. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. What else? Is it? Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the house. While I was asleep, I look like I've been rolling around in the car with or something. Yo. So we had a blast. Y'all seen all that good stuff, man. Got me a little hangover. But yeah, man, we had a blast. We made it home safe. I ain't even think about no camera when I got home, so. And my battery was low too, and I wouldn't even try to search and find no battery. But yeah. We here, made it safe. Glad y'all. I was glad to take y'all on that part of it, man. That part of my
life, our life. And, yeah. Glad y'all was there, man. So, that being said, man, I'm going to close it out. It's your dog, man. Oh, please, if you haven't already, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Check out the store, man, BeeloNationLLC.com. Store will be updated soon. Yeah, that's all I got, though, man. It's your dog, Big Beelo, man. Mr. Anime himself. I'll catch y'all on the next one.